Boyle's law. Alright, so less pressure is exerted when the volume is greater in a canister. If you have the same amount of gas particles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, in a greater volume, they would exert less pressure than if the amount of volume was halved. Because then they'd be under pressure, they'd be hitting on the walls, right? And so obviously the inside of the canister would experience more pressure. So halving the volume increases the pressure, right? So here we have Boyle's law, and we have pressure against volume. Now, if you're solving for P1, it's very easy. You put everything over 1, remove V1, and you end up with P1 is equal to P2, V2 over V1. Awesome, right? Now suppose you want to solve for V1. You do the same thing, but this time you would move P, right? So if you had this go down here, you would say V1 is equal to P2 V2 over P1. Pretty cool, right? Now let's try for P2. You just change around the equation, just switch it around. And if you want to solve for P2, you move this underneath. So you have P2 is equal to P1 V1 over V2. And the same thing, if you want to solve for V2, you move P2 below, and you would have V2 is equal to P1 V1 over P2.